Hi there, my name is Ronnie, and today I'll show you the combo that I literally made $5,196 with, starting from just $67. This isn't just theory or demonstration of ideal conditions. This is real trading on a short time frame, where the price is seen live without filters or embellishments. You'll see exactly how this combination allows you to enter earlier than others, while the market is still waking up. So let's begin. And if you want to learn quickly without unnecessary risk, check out my Telegram. There I trade live, explain the market, and what's most important, offer to copy my trades automatically. All of this is free and quite suitable for those who want to practice and get immediate profits. Every day I publish fresh strategies and working situations. There are only 4 spots left for now. The link is in the description. You'd better hurry up to join it. I hope to see you there. Alright, so for successful trading, I'll first set up the chart. My interest depends on this. I set the chart type to candlestick, time frame, short 30 seconds. The strategy is based on the OSMA and alligator indicators. So I will add the settings. First, alligator. These are 3 moving averages that show market phases. I'll set these parameters, leaving only 2 lines to open the market ahead of time and see the trend structure deeper and more accurately. Now for the style. I'll remove this one, and here I'll change the colors like this to light blue and yellow. Next, OSMA. It helps understand whether the movement is strengthening and confirms reversals. I set signal SMA period to 10. This is the signal line for comparison. Fast EMA period 15, a fast slice of price movement. Slow EMA period 30, a smooth, slow trend. The parameters make the indicator more sensitive to notice impulse and reversal faster. For the style, I'll make the histogram white. And we're done with the settings. So I'm ready to open the first trade, and I'll do it to the downside for $67, trade time 1 minute. We're trading quite fast today. Now let me explain my logic. Before the entry, the market was already moving down. Now the candle touches the lines from above, and the next one is immediately red. The alligator fully confirms this. The fast line is already below the slow one. Both are directed downward, and this means the trend is bearish. And the line above simply caps the price, not letting it rise. OSMA. OSMA at the bottom is also on the seller's side. The histogram is below 0 and decreasing. This indicates there is no upward impulse at all. The pullback is weak and ending. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and I get $128. Very good. So we're moving on to the next trade. According to my forecasts, the price will fall, so I will open to the downside for $128. So look, a large red candle breaks the structure and closes right under the alligator lines. This is the first real sign of a downward reversal. The light blue alligator line crosses the yellow one from top to bottom, and both lines are looking down, and the price is already below them. This means the uptrend has ended. OSMA at the bottom fully supports the movement. The white bars are decreasing and going below 0, after which they sharply grow into negative territory. Buyers ran out of steam and sellers took the impulse. The market is on my side, and the trade brings me $246 to the balance. Excellent, we're moving on. And if you find it hard to understand when exactly to enter the market, simply connect to my Telegram. There I trade live, explain every decision, and give access to the account for automatic trade copying. The link is below this video. Write to me and I will add you. So we continue, and I've already found a point for trading. I'm opening a trade to the upside for $246. The market was going down, but now at the bottom, buyers have sharply joined in. The light blue alligator line is turning upward. The price exits above both lines. This means the trend is beginning to flip to growth, and the lines are becoming support. OSMA at the bottom does the same thing. The bars go into positive territory and start growing, showing that the strength is with the buyers now. We confidently wait for the trade to close, and I get $474 to the balance. Pretty cool. The next trade will be interesting. I'll open it to the upside for $474, and look, after a long decline, the candles start growing sequentially, breaking through both alligator lines and showing that sellers have weakened. Alligator also confirms the reversal. The light blue line goes upward, and the yellow one lets the price this is a clear formation of a new upward movement. OSMA at the bottom gives the strongest argument. The bars are sharply growing upward, showing the emergence of a powerful bullish impulse. And the trade closes, I get $910 to my balance, and I'm rather pleased with that. I continue and I've already prepared an entry point, likely successful. I'll open to the upside for $910. Alligator's light blue line is turning upward, and the price with the candle body passes above the yellow line, meaning sellers stop pressing. OSMA also strengthens the picture. The bars are growing and holding above zero, showing increasing buyer strength. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and I get $1,748. Very nice. So I've found an interesting trade, and I think it will be successful. So I'm opening to the downside for $1,748. Look, everything converges here to one point. The price made a weak upward pullback and hit the alligator lines head-on, breaking them from top to bottom. The alligator lines are looking downward, and the price is rising to them from below. This is a pullback against the trend. The lines here work as resistance. OSMA confirms this. The bars in the negative zone are starting to grow again, meaning the bearish impulse is strengthening. And that's why the trade again brings me $3,356 to the balance. Excellent. And to finish, I want to enter one more trade and forecasts price growth. I'm opening to the upside for $2,000. The fast alligator line is turning upward, the price exits above it and stretches toward the yellow one. This is a clear start of a new upward wave. OSMA also shows a reversal. The bars are growing from the negative zone upward, buyer strength is increasing. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and of course I get $3,840. And I'm very satisfied. So today you saw yourself how the combo of OSMA and alligator work on short time frames. I got over $5,000 in just a few minutes. So if you want to analyze such moments in real time and see how my other strategies work on a live chart, come to my Telegram. I'm pretty sure you will not regret it. The link is below this video. Write to me and I will add you.